Hello, I'm Tom Varner, and welcome to a very short Adventures in TV Land. For today's adventure, we've come to Lincoln, Illinois, to see the iconic Tropics restaurant sign. The Tropics was a famous restaurant here in Lincoln along Route 66 for 47 years. The Tropics closed in 1997. However, in 2018, its famous sign was refurbished and it was placed very near the site where the restaurant once stood. And here is the marker. It's like a Illinois Route 66 wayside marker talking about the Tropics. This paragraph talks about the two fires that damaged the Tropics and how the business almost originally went out of business because of Interstate 55 opening, but how it was saved because of an ice storm. This is about the family. And lastly, the restoration of the iconic sign. Well, this has been another adventure in TV land. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, hit the like button. If you disliked, hit the dislike button. Subscribe to my channel and ring that bell for notifications. And if there's some place that you would like to see me visit, then leave a comment in the comment section. Until next time, that's a wrap.